Welcome to VSP News from Kolman's Korner. I'm your host, David A. Kolman, editor of Fleet Maintenance Magazine, the only publication that is all maintenance, all management, all vehicle classes, all the time. Remanufacturing is not a widely understood concept. To increase awareness and dispel some of the myths about remanufacturing, I sat down with David Rhode. He is the plant operations manager for Detroit Diesel Remanufacturing's operation in Hibbing, Minnesota. Detroit Reman is the leader in the remanufacture of parts for on and off highway power systems. Its DNR operation, DNR standing for Design, Manufacture, and Remanufacture, specializes in the remanufacture of electronic and mechatronic components under various brands, including the Detroit Genuine Parts brand for Daimler Trucks North America's on-highway market. So, what exactly is remanufacturing? Rhode explains.
So remanufacturing is where you're taking original equipment that has been produced by an OEM and refurbishing it to like new or better condition. So it's taking that component, whether it be an engine, cylinder head, electronics, it's analyzing that original design. It's determining what components within that original design need to be replaced and at what frequency they need to be replaced, bringing it into your shop, cleaning it up, inspecting it, checking the quality of it, and then replacing all those key components, revalidating it to original equipment specifications, and then putting it back into the product distribution channel.
It should be noted that there is a difference between remanufacturing and rebuilding.
So to clarify, remanufacturing is very different than the rebuilding process. Rebuild or repair is where you take a defective unit, you fix or correct the specific error, and you don't necessarily analyze the original equipment design and or may not fully refurbish all challenging attributes of the original equipment design. So you simply repair it, certify that your repair is complete, and return it to the end use customer. It doesn't take into account the need to analyze different design aspects or design changes that have occurred over the life of the product, and it's not bringing it up to necessarily today's standard. It's just repairing the part that broke or caused the unit to fail.
As unlikely as it may seem, remanufactured products offer some advantages over their original counterparts.
So remanufacturing offers advantages over the original equipment design because as a remanufacturer, we're able to analyze or use warranty data to compare original design intent and look for methodologies to improve on the original equipment designs. And so as a remanufacturer, we will do things, we will repair parts, we will make design changes to the original equipment that helps bring it back to as good, if not better, than the original equipment was traditionally put out. This remanufacturing process does a couple of things. First off, it provides the end use customer the opportunity to purchase a product at a fraction of the cost of having to buy brand new. And so we're able to then also take a product that would traditionally end up in a landfill and actually bring it back and give it new life by repairing it to like new or better condition. In addition to being able to refurbish it, in some cases from a warranty perspective, if the OEM has made a design change that has caused the product to fail prematurely, instead of that product having to be replaced and having to do a major recall, we can then take those defective units, perform a repair or an upgrade to those units, and actually correct the design issue or fault that the original equipment designer had as an unintended consequence.
So, what about the warranty on Reman products?
So as a remanufacturer, we offer an extended warranty on our products as well. So in the Daimler family, within Daimler Trucks North America, our remanufactured products are warranted just like our new products are and are part of an extended warranty opportunity that the end use dealer and fleet has available to it. So we are able to offer a remanufactured part at a lower cost and provide a warranty that backs up our name and our reputation on the quality of those products.
DNR's Rhode notes that remanufacturing electronics is very different than remanufacturing heavy metals, things like engines, transmissions, and axles.
The protocol that we use within our factory to remanufacture electronics is very different than you'd see in a traditional truck plant. Today all of our employees have to be trained on electric static discharge. Our factory has to be set up with quality controls in place that ensure that we're not causing premature electrical damage to our components. We also have to have a very clean Air quality is a large consideration. Humidity control within our plant is a large consideration. And so all of our employees go through regimented training that helps them to understand the critical nature of dealing with electronic components and the key protocol that needs to be in place. All of our employees wear grounding devices per se. How we handle the raw materials coming into our plant is very different than what you'd see. You don't have the preservation activities you'd have with metal, but there are definite protocols that have to be in place to ensure that electrostatic discharge doesn't prematurely damage a component and cause failure or interruption to the performance of that device.
Additional information about remanufacturing and Detroit Diesel remanufacturing operation can be found by visiting Fleet Maintenance Magazine online. Thank you for tuning in to VSP News from Kolman's Korner. I am your host, David A. Kolman, editor of Fleet Maintenance Magazine, the only publication that is all maintenance, all management, all vehicle classes, all the time. Until the next broadcast, you can keep up to date with what is going on in our industry by visiting Fleet Maintenance Magazine online.